Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Abhinav Seth and welcome to my YouTube channel Seth Market Analysis. Let's talk about Nifty's weekly chart today, weekly candle. Nifty ended up with a 15 points gain on a weekly basis, right? It closed at 19,653. This is almost at the same level that it closed in the last week. We made a doji candle. It opened at 19,622 and it closed at 19,653. So even on the weekly chart basis, it is making a very powerful candle. This is a bullish reversal candle, and the candle, you can call it a hammer candle. You can call it hammer candle, or you can call it a dragonfly doji. So this is also type of, the difference between hammer and dragonfly doji is that, the crown that it has in the candle, it is in dragonfly doji, it is a very small crown, right? It opens at one level and it comes down and closes at the almost the same level, and it just make a small body, and that's the dragonfly doji. But if it's make a big body, like 1/3 of the candle, then it becomes a hammer candle, right? The shape of the hammer candle is like this, and dragonfly doji shape is like this. So almost similar. So this is a very powerful candle. This can signify the bullish reversal. However, for us to understand and confirm whether this bullish reversal is confirmed, we have to have the next candle closed above this point. The next candle should close in green and should be closing above the high of this level. However, obviously that next candle would be the next week candle, right? We'll only get to know whether this is a bullish reversal done if it closes above this high of 19,675 by next Friday, right? So what do we do within the week? Only we have to get a confirmation, and the confirmation can also happen if it manages to close one day above this high of this candle, and the next day it trades above the high of the next that's the same candle, right? Let's say if on Monday or Tuesday it goes and close here, right, above the high of this, and the next day if it beats the highs of the previous day and starts going up, that's when you confirm that this is a bullish reversal. However, this hammer candle, as I said, it's a very powerful candle. It can confirm the bullish reversals after the significant downside. But also, if it goes below and trades below the low of this candle, which is 19,333, which is the low that we created in this week, if it goes and trades below this level, like either by next Friday it closes below this level on the weekly basis, or one day if it closes below this level and next day it trades below the low of the previous candle, that's when it is confirmed that it is the failure of this bullish candle. It is the failure of this hammer candle. So that's when you short the position, right? So, but for now, I would be very bullish if it starts trading above this level, and then I can take a position. However, please ensure if you're taking a position, whether it is in futures or derivatives, you have to put a stop loss of the low of this candle, right? Even if it comes down and trades somewhere here but does not break the low of this candle, you keep your position on, right? And you only take a position once we have a confirmation when it starts trading above the high of this level. So if Nifty trades above 19,675, whether it does on Monday or Tuesday, it is a comfortable trade above this level. We can just take a position and take a stop loss of this candle, right? This low of this candle, which is 19,333, right? And you can take a positional trade. You can just stay on this trade for long, right? This is a very, very powerful candle. Okay, let's go back in time. Rather me telling you this, let's just understand and see how many times and how many ways that Nifty has made a use of this level. This is a very rare occurrence, right? It does not normally make a hammer candle on a weekly basis, but when it does, it gives you very, very good results. So let's just go back in time. So there's one hammer candle. See, we created, this is also kind of a dragonfly doji and a hammer. It's a very, very small body. the next candle you see here, it opened here, the next candle, it went down but did not break the lows. It actually did not break the lows of the hammer candle and then ended up closing green. So this gives a confirmation that hammer candle is active now. The next candle closed an inside candle and then we started seeing one way movement, right? We also see one red candle here, but it did not close below the lows of the previous week. So one could have taken a position here as soon as it break the highs, and you can just stay for weeks. You can stay long on Nifty just for weeks, right? And here finally, sorry, not even here. Here finally, this candle, where you could have taken a stop loss, right? So if you just check the levels here for a moment. The level on Nifty here on this high is 17,196, right? 17,196. Someone might have taken a position and it could have traded easily and stayed on the trade till 19,000. So a massive 2,1900 points movement on Nifty you can take. It's such a powerful candle. Let's just go back further and see if there is any more case like this. Oh, I'm not able to move this chart. Wait. Yeah, no, I'm not able to move this chart at all. Now I can. I see one more dragonfly doji kind of a hammer candle. This one here, this candle. So it formed this candle. The next candle it went down. It actually went down of this candle, this lows, but it did not close there. It came back and closed in the middle, formed a doji, and then we started going up, right? We just started going up and we had a one-way movement here. We consolidated here a bit, but then further we had a movement. There is also another hammer candle, by the way, here. So if I just take a low of this one here, hang on, and I zoom out this chart a bit. Come on. This take too much time to load the charts. Okay, I think I have lost it only. But yeah, let's just go back and check any other hammer candle if we find. Yeah, no, not this one. Yeah, maybe this one. So this is a classical hammer candle here, and the next one did not close above the third one. It closed above this high. So as soon as it went up and taken a position here, you could take a stop loss here, and then you can enjoy the journey. So it went up from this level, which is around, I think, between around 8,000 level, and it went up till 9,000 level. So 1,000 point journey here as well. So all I'm trying to say is this is something that happens sometimes, rarely. You could see a hammer candle on a weekly chart after significant downside. Though it is not very significant downside as if you have seen earlier, but yeah, still at least one big movement and then the other doji candle, and now we made a hammer candle or a dragonfly doji. Okay, so now what is the targets for the next week? So first, if it starts trading above this, if it trades within this range of the hammer candle, do not take aggressive positions. Just trade low, trade easily, take small targets, small position till the time it's, if you are an intraday trader, right? So till the time it's trading within the range, do not do anything. As soon as it breaks it downside and close there, have a confirmation that it's breaking out, not that it goes down and then comes up and close within the range. No, if closes one day and the next day it trades below that range, then you can take a target for the lower side. The first will be 19,200, the next will be 18,888. The same targets that I gave in the last week when it found the doji candle. But on the higher side, that's where I'm more interested in a bullish now. So if it goes and starts trading above this, have a confirmation. The first level it could test is 19,800. This is a very, very small target though. It can easily beat. I think it can just beat in one day the way this bullish candle is formed. The next will be this target here. So I think it's 19,888. The third could be this target, 20,000. And if it manages to beat that as well, the last will be 20,200, the life high. So these are the three targets. If it starts going up and have a confirmation. The confirmation is very important. Not that it goes up and the next day it comes down, right? Does not even beat the high, or if we wait 1 week and we see the hammer candle effect, it closes up the next Friday, it closes above the highs of this level, then we can easily take a position. But I know we normally don't get a chance to wait for 1 week to take a position, but if we do, it will be a very good reward and very good result. There's no specific target, right? It can just keep going up and up till the time on a weekly basis it does not go down and beat the lows of this candle. That's a stop loss. SL will be 19,333 in case for a positional trader. But if it's it keeps going up, the next candle, if you just take it on a weekly position, then the candle, if it does not come back and close below the previous week's low, you can just continue staying in the position and it can give you very good results. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, click on subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification for the further videos. And since I talked about the hammer candle, I would request if you can leave your comments and share your experience with the hammer candle. This is one of my favorites and it works very beautifully. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye.